How can you reduce the cost of tree removal in Woodbridge, Virginia? First, get multiple local quotes so you know what a fair price looks like. A few estimates help you compare services and avoid overpaying. Scheduling work in off-peak months, like late fall or winter, when crews are less busy, sometimes means better rates. Ask the company if you can handle basic cleanup yourself, like hauling smaller branches, to cut down on labor charges. Bundling projects, like removing several trees or combining stump grinding with removal, can also bring discounts. You might even coordinate with neighbors who also need tree work to see if a bulk job lowers the overall price. Safety first. Big trees or ones near power lines are best left to pros. If you need help, reach out at Tino's Tree Service VA. Address: 2906 Williamsburg Court, Woodbridge, VA 22191. Phone number: 703-986-8498. Website: tinostreeserviceva.com. If this was helpful, like the video, share it with a neighbor, and subscribe for more local home and yard tips. Thanks for watching.